Is Walter Hartwell White. I live at 308 Negro Royal Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico.
何ですか何ですか何ですか
I
What?
use my chemistry knowledge to cook methamphetamine.
What?
He would then sell
What?
the connections that he made through his career through the DEA. I was astounded. I always thought he was a very moral man.
Alright, y'all. We just woke the fuck up. Weird ass day yesterday. I can't really tell you guys more than that, so we'll just leave it at that. We're about to eat breakfast, go to work. Need I say more? Does it really get much better than that, fellas? It really doesn't. I just consulted the advisory board and told me it really doesn't. So all we can do is go to work. Just pulled up to the job site relatively on time, maybe a few minutes late, nothing major. Boss man's still not here, so it's looking like it's gonna be a little bit of chilling until he does arrive. So we just been sitting around working there. Boss man sent me to the supply store to grab some toilet supply lines and some busted supply lines. And I figured after the carbs I had for breakfast, some McDonald's would be a really solid option to eat for lunch. Normally wouldn't be doing this, but did happen to lose a significant amount of calories yesterday, so I think it might be in my best interest to eat something now, even if it's terrible. And we just got off. We'll be heading back to mines for right now, and I'm gonna hit up Luke and Brandon. I wish I could hit up Luke. No, I'm gonna hit up David and Brandon, and we're gonna see what the move is for tonight. Alright, Charles, so we just hung out at the crib for a little bit. Now we're heading over to my folks to eat dinner. After that, we're probably gonna pick up the car from the shop. Turns out what was wrong with the brakes was just there was probably like a rock cut in there or something. So that's what was making the screeching noise. I'm glad it wasn't nothing extra, but now I feel like a fucking idiot for paying for that tow. But David kind of mad at it right now. He said he's not trying to hang out. And Brandon's asleep or something. He ain't been answering my calls. But we're gonna figure something out to do with this afternoon. So my car should be ready to pick up. Damn, she on timing today. But you did that to my leg, phone. Gorgeous ass sunset. We just go and drive over, pick up the car, you feel me? I'm usually never driving at this time, but it is just so pretty out here today, bro. Oh my God, you can literally hear the fucking, what do they call that? The chop? Holy shit. This is gonna wake the fucking entire neighborhood up. Oh my God. Wow, that's so nasty. Oh my God. What? Let me roll my windows up. I don't need people seeing me having a... Oh man, I miss this car, dude. I'm always like complaining about, oh, it's so, you know, it's so obnoxious in here. It's so loud. Wow. Oh. Okay, it kind of gets quiet around 3,000, though. Oh, fuck, it rattles. Wow. That sounds pretty good, though. I can't even lie. Sounds really good. We're gonna go through that bridge, though. We're gonna go through that little bridge. That's a GTR, though. I'm gonna see those every day. They gonna hear it. They gonna hear it. They gonna hear it. Oh, that nigga on my ass. He wasn't appreciative of that shit. Hey vlog, just letting you guys know, pumpkin spice breeze is ass. It's hard as hell to shift and drive. Alright, flooring it. Oh, it's 12. I'm dumb as hell. Where you at? Wait until I wake up. I'm still asleep right now. I already flipped the bottle, asleep in the cup. I give everything to the shit cause I love it so much. See, it's not even worth cutting up sometimes, guys. Sometimes you just gotta stay in the lane and enjoy it, you feel me? Alright, y'all, we just dropped Brandon off, stopped by Wendy's, grab y'all can't even see it, flurry. And right there is a little check engine light, you feel me? It just popped up. It's alright, we don't get through it. But we just about to head back to the crib and wrap the shit up.
I really whipped that motherfucker. Ooh, I was at least going 160, boy. Ooh, that's the scat pack. I'll dust his ass.